need a full room makeover to elevate your space. With the right throw pillows, you can transform your couch, your bed, and even your mood. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to style your throw pillows like a designer using pieces from my luxury home decor brand, Brittany Christina Home. Whether you love neutrals, minimalism, or soft color moments, I'll show you how to mix patterns, size, and textures to get that high-end, artful look without overthinking it. Okay, so let's start with the basics. There's actually a formula that I always use for almost every styling project, and it always works. So here's my go-to pillow styling formula. Number 1, odd numbers always win. Consider using 1 or 3 pillows for styling chairs, 5 pillows for styling sofas, and 7 pillows for styling sectionals depending on how large your sectional is. 2, size matters. Start big with either a 24-inch or a 22-inch size pillow, then layer down. So 20-inch, 18-inch, or a lumbar pillow. Number 3, mix and don't match. Pair solids, subtle patterns, and textures together to create an elevated look that complements your space but not too matchy-matchy. And number 4, texture equals instant luxury. I am a sucker for a good texture pillow. Think boucle, linen, velvet, and even woven. Now let me show you how I style a few of these looks using pieces from my own luxury home decor brand, Brittany Christina Home. So before we begin styling, I want to do a little bit of a pillow haul for y'all and introduce you all to the pillows that I'll be using in today's video. So the first pillow that we are going to use is Urban Mesh. This is one of the pillows from my luxury home decor line, Brittany Christina Home, and I love this pillow so much. It is one of my favorites. So I'm gonna bring it up close to you all. I want you all to appreciate the texture. Do y'all see that? Oh, it is stunning. Stunning. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's like this black and white piping material. It almost kind of gives like an animal print a little bit as well, but this is called Urban Mesh. It does have black piping around the edges, and then the back, you all, is solid black, but it is velvet. Okay, this is luxury to the T, and if you are into adding texture to your home, this is a great pillow to do so. That it will take any type of couch, any type of bedding, and instantly elevate it in a second. So Urban Mesh, I love this pillow so much. Okay, so next we have Abstract Noir. Okay, this is to die for. I love the abstract texture on this pillow. I'm gonna bring it up close so that you all can see. Look at that, stunning. Ugh. It's so good, y'all. This is one of my favorite pillows as well. And this is actually, both the Urban Mesh and the Abstract Noir pillow are best sellers, okay? This pillow for sure is the top selling pillow that I have in my collection at the moment, y'all. It is so beautiful. So the front is kind of like it almost reminds me of like this denim. It feels like denim, like a kind of like a washed out denim feel, and it has frayed edges, so it gives, like, again, I'm a sucker for texture. It gives like a 3D type of look and effect, you all. It's so good. It also has black piping as well, and then the back is black velvet. So this is like my perfect combo. And what I love about these pillows is that it kind of gives you like this 2-in-1 type of feel. If you want, you know, just a little bit of like a party in the front, you could turn both of these pillows to the front. But if you want something simple, sleek, not doing too much, you could simply turn the pillow around and have like the black facing kind of be the facing. So it's like you get 2 pillows in one. So I love that. So the next pillow I have is Noir Maze. And this is also, when I tell you all of my pillows are my favorite, but this one is so good, y'all. It's subtle because it's black, but look at the print. Just take a look at this. I just want y'all to appreciate the artwork that is this pattern in this print, okay? And so this is an amazing way to kind of break up your color palette that you may have on your couch or on your bed, but still give it a little zhuzh, a little pizzazz, right? With the print here. So this is so good. This is cut velvet, and it is the same in the front and the back. And again, all of these pillows are 22 by 22. So here's the tea. It's not just about pillow covers. These final touches will take your pillows from basic to boutique. To achieve that designer look and make your home look like a model home, make sure that you all are using feathered down inserts that are 2 inches larger than your pillow cover. For example, if your pillow cover is 22 by 22 inches, your insert should be 24 by 24 inches. This allows the pillow to be fuller, fluffier, and will allow you to achieve that karate chop look just like in a magazine. Next, make sure that you all are actually chopping the top of your pillow top for structure to give that polished look. Lastly, use pillows in unexpected places, accent chairs, entryway benches, and even under console tables. If you love these looks and want to recreate them in your own home, every pillow featured in this video is available on shopbrittanychristina.com. I'll link them below in the description. Your home should feel like your own personal art gallery. With the right textures and placements, your throw pillows can help to set the tone. Which pillows were your favorites? Drop it in the comments and let me know which room you're trying to upgrade next. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.